Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of Cloud Shell in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll show you in lab more details about Cloud Shell so that you can easily understand it. Guys, let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, the Cloud Shell. A Cloud Shell in Google Cloud Platform is a browser-based command line interface that provides with a Linux shell environment directly within the GCP console. Guys, it offers a convenient way to manage your GCP resources and without requiring any local installation or setup. Guys, basically, it is a temporary computing VM provided by Google Cloud as a provider, and it is a command line access to the instance through a browser, and it has a 5 GB persistent disk storage, and it supports multiple languages like the Java, Python, Node.js, PHP and Ruby and blah blah. It has a web preview functionality and also built-in authentication for access to resources and instances. Guys, after 1 hour of inactivity, the Cloud Shell instance recycled automatically, and only the home directory process. Any changes is made the system configuration including environment variable and are lost between the session. As you can see here, some of the key features and benefits for accessibility: web-based editor, persistent home directory, and accessibility from anywhere. Guys, since Cloud Shell is accessed via web browser, you can use it from anywhere within an internet connection. It provides a consistent command line experience across different devices and operating system. Guys, the Cloud Shell is seamlessly integrated with various GCP services and APIs. You can use Cloud Shell to manage and interact with your GCP resources, deploy application, configure networking and access logs and monitoring data. Guys, Cloud Shell is always up to date with the latest versions of the tools and utilities it includes. You do not need to worry about the manual updating the command line tools or a local machine. And guys, another thing is like that Cloud Shell allows the multiple users to collaborate within the same environment. You can share your Cloud Shell session with others and allowing them to view or collaborate on the same project or code. This is the advantage, guys, and Cloud Shells comes pre-configured with the necessary tools and utilities to interact with the GCP resources. Now guys, I hope so you understand what exactly Cloud Shell is it. Guys, as you can see here, the activate Cloud Shell icon. Guys, once you are logged in GCP console, you can access the Cloud Shell by clicking activate Cloud Shell icon at the top right corner of the GCP console. The icon looks like a small command line terminal. Let's click here, guys. The first time you can open the Cloud Shell, it might take a few moments to initialize the environment. After initialization, you will see the command line interface within the GCP console. As you can see here, guys, best choice is, as you can see here, open a new window tab. Just click here, then back to your home page and close it. Guys, now as you can see here the command line interface within a GCP console. You can start using Cloud Shell just like a regular Linux terminal. It comes pre-configured with the necessary tools and credential to interact with GCP services. Guys, we'll enter some Linux command so that you can easily understand it. Now guys, same thing, just write a command ls, then the default readme Cloud Shell txt file also visible. I hope so now you understand it. Guys, second thing, the environment comes with the Google Cloud SDK pre-installed. So you can use gcloud, gsutil, bq and other GCP command line tools. And guys, you know the Cloud Shell provides the 5 GB persistent disk storage to store your files and configuration across the session. As I discussed on Cloud Shell, you can preview the web application running your GCP projects directly within the Cloud Shell. Just I'll show you guys. This is the web preview. Just click on here. For an example, any web services you can host in this Cloud Shell temporary VM, guys. Then you have to click on preview on here. Then it will navigate to that that web page. But we don't have any pre-configured and install any web application inside the temporary VM, so that it is showing like that the unable to forward your request to a backend and blah blah, and simply close it, guys. And guys, the Cloud Shell includes a built-in text editor that you can use to edit files and script based on your requirement. Guys, this is the open editor. Just click it on here. Then as you can see here, the Cloud Shell editor here, right? Then click upon your folder. Then whatever the files and folder is available here, guys, you can edit it, modify it, and based on your project requirement. This is the beauty of Cloud Shell, guys. And I just close my editor button here. You can understand what exactly the Cloud Shell editor. Guys, and Google Cloud Shell is an interactive and convenient way to manage and interact with your GCP resources and services from the GCP console without the need to set up any local development environment. Guys, you remember it, Cloud Shell usage is subject to certain quotas and limitation, including session time limits, 5 GB disk storage as I already discussed, guys, and idle session timeout. And additionally, guys, the Cloud Shell is intended for interactive use. It is not recommended for running a long term or resource intensive processes. And guys, automatically all the versions and the software version automatically upgrade it, and but do not need to upgrade any manual for any software and versions. Guys, I'll show you. Let's check with any software version here. That is pre-installed, guys. Just check for another version, any other software. It is showing as Java OpenJDK 17.0.7 version available. Guys, same thing, check for Terraform. Now Terraform version 1.5.3, this is also latest versions is available here. Guys, whatever you want, just you have to check it here, and then based on your requirement, and you create your project and blah blah. I hope so, guys, now you understand it. And guys, gcloud command also you can run here. Gcloud, it take a few seconds, guys, and all the CLI command will practice here only, guys, for our upcoming session. Guys, as you can see here, all the image list here. Then guys, just simply close the terminal here and close here. Then navigate to our home page.